All right, we're here with Len Di Salvia, the winner of our 2015 oldest air conditioning contest, and this is the beauty. Just want to congratulate you.
Thanks very much. It was awesome. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate the work that you do with our furnaces and that we have. And we've had some issues in the past. You've always come quick, and now with the air conditioning, every time I have an issue, if there's an issue, my wife says, "Call that guy," and we call you. So we really do appreciate what you do here, and it's always good to have someone who's honest and that you trust, especially when they're coming into your home and fixing something that costs so much money. So again, thank you very much. I appreciate all the service that you give us at my home and my family.
Oh, thank you very much.
That was awesome.